Hi everybody, it's MJ with Dr. Trust, and this is the Dr. Trust Ab Wheel. The Ab Wheel is an amazing tool to not only help you get great exercise for your abs, but it also helps strengthen and balance your entire core, all the muscles that help increase the strength and the health of the spine. So the Ab Wheel also allows you to work in different directions, providing a really good, whole, balanced, effective workout. Let's go ahead and begin. To get started, go ahead and grab your knee pad and place it someplace on the ground that you can roll out and away from in. We're gonna place the wheel in front of us and place our hands on both handles. To begin, you're gonna sit your hips down at your heels and then slowly work your way out, extending the arms over your head and back in. Try to just bend at the waist here, keeping the hips down so you're just moving that upper torso. As you begin to work your way up, you can lift your hips off the heels, keep the hips high in the sky, open, and come together again. Inhaling, open, come together again. As you become more advanced working on this, you can begin to flatten your hips as much as possible, then extend your arms as far as possible, pulling it back all the way down to hips at the heels, or glutes at the heels. So full range of motion. The advanced version of this would be bringing your body completely straight and then extending the arms as far out until you're totally flat before bringing it all the way back inside. You can also start working side to side on any level.
Fitness is a mental game, and regret is that inner demon we all share. You can think about what you should do. You can think about what you could do. And you can think about what you would have done. But your body won't go where your mind won't push it.
Dr. Trust. Trusted for life.